Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best 8-ounce coffee cups is probably one of the most essential items for any coffee lover on the go, offering a convenient and portable way to enjoy your favorite brew without spills or messes, making it an indispensable accessory for busy mornings, commutes, or simply enjoying a hot beverage anywhere, anytime, ensuring that your coffee stays warm and your hands stay clean. Number 5. Gusto 3-ounce white paper bathroom cups. Introducing our 3-ounce white paper cups, designed for everyday portions. They are perfect for espresso, tea, mouthwash, and small drink servings. These cups are made from quality paper, suitable for both hot and cold beverages. Enjoy your espresso, tea, or water without worry. Featuring a reinforced rolled rim, these cups offer added strength and a comfortable sipping experience. They are designed to prevent warping or collapsing. With a clean, white look, these cups blend seamlessly into any setting. They are ideal for bathrooms, coffee stations, and sampling areas. These lightweight and stackable cups are easy to store. They are a practical choice for homes, offices, and events. Stock up on these reliable small paper cups for all your daily needs. They offer a clean and convenient solution for single-serve use. What we like? If you need small cups for specific tasks like rinsing or taking medicine, these are perfect. Their compact size makes them ideal for bathrooms or small coffee stations. Choose these if you value convenience and portion control for quick, single-use needs. What people say. The cups are sturdy and hold hot liquids well. The lids fit snugly and prevent spills. The 8-ounce size is perfect for a single serving of coffee or tea. Number 4. Dixie PerfecTouch 8-ounce paper coffee cups. Enjoy your favorite hot or cold beverages with these versatile 8-ounce cups. They are perfect for any setting, from busy break rooms to bustling cafes. Say goodbye to foam cups. Our innovative technology uses air insulation to provide a comfortable, non-slip grip, making them a superior alternative. Save money and hassle. These disposable cups eliminate the need for extra sleeves or double cupping, offering a simple and economical solution. Maximize your storage space. These cups stack significantly lower than traditional foam cups, freeing up valuable room in your cabinets or storage areas. Designed for convenience, these cups are compatible with small Dixie lids, making them ideal for customers who are on the move. Lids are sold separately. What we like? For those who dislike using separate sleeves or double cupping, these offer a built-in solution. The insulated grip ensures comfort with hot beverages. If you're looking for a cost-effective and comfortable disposable cup for your break room or cafe, these are a great choice. What people say. The cups are sturdy and don't leak. The lids fit snugly and prevent spills. The 8-ounce size is perfect for a single serving of coffee. Number 3. Fit Meal Prep 100 Pack 8 ounces Disposable Coffee Cups. Introducing our premium paper coffee cups, designed for ultimate durability and a leak-free experience. They are crafted from recyclable materials to keep your drinks warm and your hands comfortably cool. Enjoy peace of mind with these 100% food-safe and BPA-free cups. They are manufactured under strict quality protocols, making them a dependable choice for all your hot or cold beverages. Our cups feature lids that seal tightly, ensuring a spill-free experience and maintaining your beverage's temperature. The rolled rim provides comfortable, leak-free drinking, while the lining minimizes condensation. These cups are the perfect size for your daily commute or any outing. The convenient packaging quantity is suitable for everyone, making them ideal for parties and everyday use. With a classic, print-free design, these cups are perfect for customization. They are ideal for parties, travel, picnics, and weddings, arriving in durable packaging for easy storage. What we like? If you're always on the go and need a reliable, spill-free experience, these cups are for you. The tight-sealing lids and durable construction make them perfect for travel or busy mornings. Consider these if you want a dependable cup for hot or cold beverages that also offers a blank canvas for personalization. What people say. The cups are sturdy and don't collapse when you hold them. The lids fit securely and prevent spills. They are a good size for a single serving of coffee or tea. Number 2. Fit Meal Prep 100 Pack 8 ounces Disposable Coffee Cups. Introducing our premium paper coffee cups, designed for durability and comfort. They keep your beverage warm while your hands stay cool, ensuring a leak-free experience for over 7 days. Enjoy peace of mind with our cups, made from 100% food-safe, BPA, and PFAS-free materials. They are rigorously tested for quality, making them a dependable choice for all your hot or cold beverages. Our cups come with lids that seal tightly, preventing spills and maintaining your drink's temperature. The rolled rim offers comfortable drinking, and the poly-coated lining minimizes condensation. This set includes 100 cups with lids, perfect for parties or daily use. Their convenient size is suitable for everyone, from adults to children, for any occasion. With a classic print-free design, these cups are perfect for customization at parties, weddings, or picnics. The durable packaging ensures they arrive ready for travel and easy storage. What we like? Similar to the white lid version, these offer excellent leak protection for travel and daily use. The black lids provide a sleek look, making them ideal for events or a more sophisticated office setting. If you prioritize a secure, spill-proof experience with a touch of style, these are an excellent option. What people say. The lids fit snugly and prevent spills. These cups are sturdy and hold hot beverages well. The design is sleek and comfortable to hold. Number 1. Fit Meal Prep 50-pack 8-ounce black coffee cups with lids. Our insulated paper coffee cups are designed to keep your hot beverages warm for longer. The triple insulation layers trap heat inside, ensuring your coffee, tea, or chocolate stays warm from the first sip to the last. Made from superior quality, eco-friendly paper, these cups are incredibly durable and long-lasting. They are designed to be dependable for your daily use. Enjoy a comfortable grip without the need for sleeves, thanks to the triple-layer ripple construction. The dome lid seals tightly to prevent messy spills and helps maintain beverage temperature, making them ideal for travel. This set includes 58-ounce cups and 50 dome lids, perfect for various occasions. Their print-free appearance also makes them great for customization. Our cups come in durable cardboard boxes, ensuring they arrive undamaged. They are stackable for convenient storage and disposable for easy cleanup. What we like? For the ultimate hot beverage experience, these triple-wall insulated cups are the way to go. They are designed to keep your coffee or tea piping hot for longer, eliminating the need for extra sleeves. If you're a true coffee or tea enthusiast who wants to savor every warm sip, these are the perfect choice. What people say. The cups are sturdy and the lids fit snugly, preventing spills. They are a good size for a single serving of coffee or tea. The design is simple and elegant, suitable for both home and office use. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.